Moe and Friends. Oh, whoa.
What's a Moe holding?
I think he's got a letter, so I think he probably better go exploring.
Why are you leaving?
Cause Moe likes learning and today Moe has a yearning to know more. Sing!
I see that you're carrying the letter G. It's the best letter and that's a guarantee.
Moe loves to wander and roam.
If I were you, I'd probably stay at home. Take it easy, Moe.
Bye, Moe.
Cheerio, Moe.
Huh? Oh, look, he's got one of those little eggs. What's he doing now? Whoa! Oh, Moe must know more. Yeah. What is golf?
Well, it's a sport where you are hitting the ball
Yeah.
and aiming to get the ball into the hole in the least amount of strokes.
And how far away is the hole? Is it like right at your feet?
No, so there's 18 holes.
Yeah.
And each hole is a different length. We're talking, say, from 100 to 500 metres, depending on
What?
Yeah.
Maybe golf isn't so easy after all. Well, so what do you hit the golf ball with?
A golf club.
Oh. Moe was watching someone play golf, and when they hit the ball, they said 4. Why did they say that?
If it's coming to you, that means duck.
Is that saying, look out?
Yeah.
Why do they say 4?
I don't know why.
Yeah. Golf's a crazy game. Does the ball always go where you want it to go?
No.
Oh, do you get a bit grumpy sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do?
Keep on playing.
Keep on playing.
So today, Moe,
Yeah.
we're going to learn, I'm going to teach you putting.
Putting.
So we're going to use the putter
Oh,
to putt the ball towards the hole.
okay. Sounds easy.
Okay,
Moe's ready.
here we go.
Okay. And, ha! Ah! It didn't go in!
That's okay.
Oh,
Calm down, have another go.
okay.
All right, I want you to have your hands together,
Okay, got it.
feet apart,
Yep.
and nice smooth stroke.
Okay. Ah! It still didn't go in.
Okay, here's another one. Same thing. Hands together,
Okay.
feet apart.
You sure this is gonna work?
Yes,
Okay.
there you go.
Okay. Ah! It went in!
Great job.
Who did it?
Nice putt.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.